Hello, good morning traders. Today is 18th of July 2023. What a blessing beginning of the day, guys. We had amazing trade on all the yen pair. Let me share with you guys on pound yen. That was the pretty straightforward. Yesterday at the New York session, we had such a nice beautiful, once we see this price rejection, so we had this beautiful long trade here. Price nicely hit this profit target, as you can see here, previously respected, banked some profit here, and after this candle rejection, and if you look at here, price nicely respected and develop a candlestick pattern. If you look at here, this candlestick pattern that give us the rejection, so we've been short here since we've been short from here, bank some profit. Even in the Asian session, we have this breakout, price nicely broken. Let's see if the price gonna break, then I'm expecting a huge drop. We are looking this, if the market is gonna break this support, then I'm expecting a huge drop. We'll see how the market is going to react today, but let me share with you guys how I analyze the market in entry and exit and help my traders. So if you look at here, this is the analysis we did yesterday at the New York session. Price nicely broken and retest, beautiful pullback, bank amazing profit. Once the price hit to the major resistance level, and as explained my trader, let's see, let the market, if the market is going to break any of the previous high or previous low, then let's take a short trade here, because the price was at the major resistance level. So the way we explain trader, and if you look at here, this is the area, price nicely broken, as you can see here, price nicely broken and retest. That give us the confirmation that might more likely, if you look at here, it's sort of like head and shoulder pattern in intraday. That was the beautiful breakout. After the breakout, short trade, bank amazing profit. And as I explained my trader, look for another structure. As you can see here, market develop another symmetry triangle pattern, pretty straightforward. We market broken, and after this breakout, as you can see here, the market developed another pullback. We also announced this pullback and bank amazing profit once the price hit to the profit target, and that's what I explained my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. I hope you enjoy this analysis, but if you want to see all that explanation in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day, guys.